Welcome to Star Biker. Today we're taking a quick look at the 2026 Honda Unicorn 150, a motorcycle known for its reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality, now updated for the new model year. Engine and performance. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 is powered by a refined 150 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that focuses on smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency. It offers dependable performance for city riding and relaxed highway cruising, making it ideal for daily commuters. Design and styling. Honda keeps the Unicorn's design clean and mature. The 2026 model features subtle styling updates, a muscular fuel tank, and premium paint options that enhance its simple yet classy road presence. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort remains a strong point of the Unicorn 150. An upright riding position, well-cushioned seat, and balanced suspension setup ensure a fatigue-free ride, even on long daily routes and uneven roads. Features and technology. The bike comes with essential modern features such as a refined instrument cluster, improved braking confidence, and Honda's trusted build quality. Everything is designed to be practical and user-friendly. Mileage and maintenance. Known for its excellent fuel economy, the 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 continues to be easy on the pocket. Low maintenance costs and Honda's strong service network make it a smart long-term choice. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 stays true to its reputation as a comfortable, reliable, and efficient commuter motorcycle. If you want a no-nonsense bike for everyday use, this one definitely deserves your attention.